In this video, we'll continue defining our operations section inside the setup sheet template. So what we've done so far is that we've defined our section with the section purpose of operation data, which will repeat our section here if we double click as many times as we have operations count, which means 7 times with our DXML file. So now the problem is that all of these values are hard-coded and we need to change them. So we have operation data here, and for example, we want to put in here operation index. So first of all, we will try and search for the index, and inside the operation section, you can find few indexes. You can find index, which is exactly the operation index that we need. There is a setup index for each of the operations, meaning on which setup we are doing this operation, and also a tool index, meaning which tool is exactly used inside this operation. So we will be using this index here, and these two indexes will be explained in the further videos. Let's copy this name to the clipboard, and instead of op1, let's go and say equal, put our op slash inside the quotations because it is a string, and say and put our formula for operation index. Meaning now this will be changeable since this is a variable now. Here we have our operation name. We can go and search up for a name. Going down inside the operation section, you can find the name of the operations, copy formula, and paste it here. Next thing to do, we have time. So we can go and search for time and copy the time from the operations. So we have time in seconds. And clearly we can see here that the time is not needed in seconds, but in this format to see the minutes, hours, and seconds. So let's go and copy the formula and paste it here. For example, for a tool number, we can search for TXX, for example, and we can use this, copy the formula, and we can paste it here. All of the other here variables can be done in the same manner. Of course, for example, feed, we can go and search for the feed, find our feed XY, it's 0.2, so we can copy it, place it here. We need to delete this 500, of course. So let's go and paste again, feed XY, and place it here. So it's 0.2, all right? Also, if you need, you can go and search for the unit. Here you have spin units, all right? But also, if you go and search for example, millimeters per something, you can see that the feed type can be found here. So this is millimeter per tooth. So you can go and copy this, for example, if you want, and say here, and you can go and place another string like this, and say again, and paste the feed type. So this would be millimeters per tooth. Of course, if this is millimeters per tooth, you can go and extract millimeters per tooth only and print out without the FZ. But this will be shown in the further videos where we explain the usage of TS functions. For now, let's leave it like this and try the full test. Let's wait for it to finish. It will repeat 7 times for the operation. So we have 6 of our tools first. And we have here operation number 1, 2. Here, as you can see, this is changeable. Now for the operation 2 is 4055 millimeters per minute. For this one is 1000 millimeters per minute. For this one, we are using tool number 8 and 105 millimeters per minute, etc. And we have 7 instances of our operation. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.